Hi, today I'd like to go over our Naviate Road feature for creating piles. Here we have a drawing that has an existing ground surface, a rock surface created from our geotech report, and a finished ground surface. By coming in using the Naviate Road module, selecting piles, we can simply and easily get prompted to place our 3D piles on their own layer, what size of piles we would like, even whether or not we would like to extend those past our top surface or bottom surface. We have the other option of choosing whether or not we would like circle piles or square piles. And then just by selecting the surfaces that we would like to go in between. In this case, I'm going to choose my chop surface to be my finish grade, my datum surface to be my rock surface. Coming into plan view, I'm going to select my points that I have placed of where we want to place our piles. I'm going to just come quickly down and select a few of these. Now, not only are they drawn in 3D as 3D solids, we can see that we have a total of 6 piles and a total length for each one of those. So altogether, we need to order 91.7 feet of piles.